Yo, Wagwan, Mayut, what you up on? You feeling good? You feeling nice? What are we doing today? Python Quick Start, OpenAI, Langchain, ElevenLabs, and a PDF? What? We're going to use OpenAI, which is behind ChatGPT, and connect using Langchain a PDF document with OpenAI. And then we're going to have ElevenLabs, which clones voices, speak the ChatGPT response. I've run all of this already. I'll link to it in the comment section below. Notice that I have a folder that says data, and I put the PDF stepping. You can create a new folder just like this, right-clicking, new folder, create a folder called data, and put stepping.pdf in. Bang. See how it's being referenced here? And to run this, you just press play. Just this little play button here. And once you get a check mark, you move on to the next one. And then the next one. And then the next one. Oh, look at that. Replace this with your API key. Right here. Alright, it does a bunch of stuff. And now I can ask questions or queries about this PDF. Where does the lay Buddhist sit? Cite the relevant quote. Oof. And then it gives me the source. What was the quote about reading yesterday's newspaper for today's news? Provide source. The quote is, "This assumed reality might not be any more reliable than reading last year's newspaper for today's news." And it includes it here. That's the source. Bang, bang, bang. And this is where I get into the ElevenLabs. I found I had to install some stuff. So my results I'm getting with OpenAI on this PDF is stored in result in this thing here. It's a string. I can print out this string. And I can use ElevenLabs to read it out. Da-na.
This document explores the idea of meditation and how it can help us better understand our relationships in life.
You know, Z.
It encourages